Gina with WTI, and I have found the perfect comfy and squishy comforter set for my mom's spare bed in her living room. This is a twin size set from DILIMI, and we feel like it is such good value. You get 5 pieces, including all the sheets, 2 pillowcases, and the comforter, which by the way is reversible, which we love. We really like the feel on the material. It's microfiber and very soft and comfortable on your skin. The sheets are lightweight but durable, and the comforter has a lot of squish to it. As a seamstress, I appreciate the attention to detail, especially on the sheets. They used French seaming on the fitted sheet, which is a really nice technique in order to get a finished edge that is going to be long lasting. This is the green leaf pattern and is one of my mom's favorite colors. The flip side has a solid sage green with white leaves on it, and then the front has white background with those same sage green variation in color and some blue. My mom just loves it. The comforter is really warm and of course great for use on your bed, but also for snuggling up on the couch anytime you might feel a little chilly. This is a great little comforter set, and that's our point of view.